3 mistakes every new YouTuber makes 100% and 3 tips that every YouTube channel gets 100% success. Let's see the first. Mistake 1. Poor video quality. Viewers appreciate clear visuals and crisp audio. Make sure to invest in decent recording equipment and adequate lighting to enhance your video production. Mistake 2. Inconsistent posting schedule. A regular posting schedule helps build viewer anticipation and keeps them coming back for more. Mistake 3. Neglecting audience engagement. Engaging with your viewers through comments, community posts, and social media is crucial for building a loyal fan base. Take the time to respond to comments and involve your audience in your content creation process. Now take a look at 3 advices from all big YouTubers. That is number 1. Work on YouTube with the same flow. I mean to say, if you upload a video daily, then don't miss any single daily upload daily. And yes, you can make workflow like every Sunday a new video. I'm just giving you example. Tip number 2. Make your thumbnails attractive. YouTube is how your videos to people's in big range. So if your thumbnails is attractive, then more people's click on your video. Tip number 3. Don't be over smart. I know you want to make anything perfect for your channel. That is good, but this can make you sad. For example, you created a video in a week. This will increase your hope to get more views, but the video get 3 or 4 views, then you fell sad, right? So give the time to YouTube. Daily seed can't be a tree in few weeks. It takes time. Be motivated and work like your passion. This will make you successful. Bye. Subscribe to my channel, please, and hit your elbow on like button, and you can comment for your topic that you want to learn. Take care.